In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Paperform plan. Whether you're a business owner looking to create more forms or someone needing more features, I've got you covered. Let's dive into this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Paperform website. Open your preferred web browser and head to paperform.co. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button and enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one to unlock the full potential of Paperform. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your forms. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find the upgrade option. On the dashboard, you'll typically see a prominent button labeled Upgrade Now. Clicking this button will redirect you to the billing section of your account. This is where we'll explore your subscription options and decide which plan suits your needs best. Once you're in the billing section, it's time to delve into the available plans. Paperform offers a variety of plans based on different requirements. You might notice the Choose a Plan and Subscribe button, and that's exactly where you'll need to click to see all the available subscription options. At this stage, you're faced with a choice. You can either opt for a monthly plan or a yearly plan. The monthly plan names and savings are displayed right there for your convenience. If saving is part of your priority, it's noteworthy to mention that you can save a significant percentage by choosing a yearly plan. Let's break down these options. On a monthly billing basis, you have the Essential Plan at $288, the Pro Plan at $588, and the Business Plan at $1,188, each offering specific benefits and features with savings thrown in. If you're looking to cut costs further or commit long-term, the yearly plans are where you can take advantage of greater savings. Here, the Essential Plan is priced at $29 per month, the Pro Plan at $59, and the Business Plan at $129, summing up to a considerable discount over the span of a year. Once you've weighed the options and selected the plan that best fits your needs, the final step is to click on Continue. This will guide you through a secure checkout process where you can enter your payment details to finalize the subscription. And that's it! You're all set to start using your upgraded Paperform plan. Enjoy the benefits and new tools at your disposal to create sleek, professional forms. Thanks for following along and happy form building with Paperform.